Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you feeling stuck in that 9 to 5 routine? Dreaming of a life with more freedom and a bigger paycheck? What if I told you that you don't need a 4-year college degree to make a 6-figure income? In 2026, the internet is your golden ticket to financial freedom. And today, I'm going to reveal 3 high-paying skills you can learn quickly to start earning serious money online. These aren't just side hustles. These are career-launching opportunities. So grab a notepad, because you're going to want to remember this. Let's dive in. First on our list is a game changer: AI and automation services. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's everywhere. And as AI technology integrates deeper into our daily lives, businesses are scrambling to keep up. They are desperate for people who can help them manage and implement AI solutions. There are incredible online courses on platforms like Coursera and Udemy that can get you up to speed. The demand for these skills is exploding, and you can start offering your services within just a few weeks of dedicated learning. Next up, let's talk about something a little more creative: voiceover work. Think about it. How many podcasts do you listen to? How many audiobooks are on your list? How many YouTube videos or online ads do you watch every single day? All of that content needs a voice. With the massive explosion of audio and video content, the demand for quality voice talent has never been higher. If you have a clear voice and can invest in a decent microphone, you're already halfway there. Many people want to redesign their homes or apartments, but feel completely overwhelmed and do not know where to start. You can be their guide. Using powerful and often free software like Blender or industry standards like Maya, you can create stunning, photorealistic 3D renderings for clients anywhere in the world. You can help them visualize their new space before they spend a single dollar on furniture. Your services could include creating mood boards to define their style, drawing up detailed floor plans, and even providing curated shopping lists with links to all the products. Start by redesigning your own space or a friend's room to build a portfolio. Post your work on Instagram and Pinterest to attract clients. This is a field where a strong visual portfolio can land you high-paying projects faster than any resume ever could. So there you have 3 incredible paths to a high income online in 2026. No traditional degree required. Whether it's the technical world of AI and automation, the creative art of voiceover, or the visual flair of virtual interior design, the opportunities are massive. The key is to choose a skill that genuinely excites you. Commit to learning it through online resources, and then start marketing yourself confidently. The future of work is online. It's flexible, and it's waiting for you to claim your spot. Don't wait for permission. Start building your dream career today. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on building your online empire. I'll see you in the next video.